Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking with Lynn. Are you too busy to make a dinner tonight? Today I'm going to show you a one dish dinner and so delicious with secret seasoning. We're going to make whole fish with tofu. And here's up. Let's cook. I have 1 pack of soft tofu. It's 1 pound. I already rinsed. Just need to cut into cubes. Flip over, half. I have 1 pomfret. We like it, the meat very firm and not many small bones. But you can use sea bass, you can use tilapia. I just need to make a few cuts on both sides. This way it will cook quicker and also get the flavors in. Flip to the other side. Don't cut too deep. As soon as you feel the bones, that's it. Now we're going to marinate the fish. I have some sliced green onions, just the white part for flavor, and ginger. So I just put them together. Add a little bit of water. Just squeeze it to get the juice out. And for the fish, we add some salt. Both sides. White pepper powder. And ginger, green onion. Squeeze it, squeeze it. If you have a cooking wine, Shaoxing cooking wine, cooking wine, you can use beer too. Just rub on the fish. Set aside, let them marinate for 10 to 15 minutes. And the secret seasoning is Hapa base, Hapa seasoning. We just need a little piece of it if you have it. So I like this brand and this package, individual package. You can use the whole pack, but we like milder. So I just cut 1 piece. Probably 1/3 of it, like that. As I always say, when you cook fish, you need this trio: ginger, garlic, green onions, and we're ready to cook. I'm heating up the pan to medium heat. Add some oil. Use avocado oil. You can use any vegetable oil. And we started with garlic. Use half. Save half for later. Ginger, so chopped, and white part of green onions. And add some Sichuan peppercorns, green ones. Tablespoon of broad bean paste, followed by a hot pot base seasoning. Wow, smells so good. Smell like a hot pot. Now we add water. It's enough to cover the fish. Turn the heat to high. We also need to add a little bit of sugar to balance the flavor. A little bit chicken bouillon if you have it, and light soy sauce. Just bring this to boil. Now our broth is boiling. Let me just taste it. Perfect. Ready to put our fish in. There you go. Perfect. This fish is just over a pound. It's going to take about 12 minutes. We're going to cover it, cook it, but in between you can baste it like this. After about 12 minutes, we are ready to add tofu. We'll cook about 2 to 3 minutes. After about 3 minutes, our fish and tofu is ready. Just need to garnish with some green onions. Beautiful. Yes. Now we use rest of the green onions, garlic, and some cilantro. Now we just pour this over. Beautiful, isn't it?
Nice.
Let's put over rice.
Wow, it smells so good.
Ready to eat?
Ready to eat.
Cheers.
Cheers. That's great.
Wow. Little
So
spicy.
delicious.
Yummy. Like hot pot.
Wow.
So flavorful, right?
I
Very
love it.
bold flavor.
The
With
fish,
hot pot seasoning.
so great.
Yep. Meat is firm. Not many bones.
Wow.
But if you're intimidated by whole fish, you can use fish fillet. That will cook it even quicker, right?
So delicious.
This is the only dish for tonight.
Okay.
One dish dinner. High
Love it.
protein.
And the rice when you get the sauce. Oh, awesome.
Great. Please try to make it. If you like this video, please give a thumbs
Thumbs
up,
up.
share, and
Subscribe.
subscribe for more simple recipes. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.